Here's a Horion Smart TV. I'm going to show you how to perform a software update. First thing is go to your TV settings. If you have one of these remotes here, you can go to settings by clicking on the gear icon up there, or if not, go to the home page, just click on the home button on the remote, and then once you're here, you want to navigate to the gear icon on the bottom left hand side. So I'm going to go there and I'm going to move over to the right there, settings. All right, and then from here on the left pane, we're going to go ahead and move down. So go all the way down to all settings right there. Select on OK on the remote. OK is this little round thing right there. From here, we're going to go down to support right there. Click on OK on the remote. And then you just want to move over to the right to software update. OK on the remote. And then go ahead and do a search to see if there's an update. I already did mine. There is an update, and then I can just go ahead and download and install it. I can also check auto update, but I like to do mine manually. So download and install right there. Okay, progress bar just about done. It's at 98% right now. Okay, it said in the bottom there, it says software update has been installed. Update will be applied when you restart your TV. So from here, just turn your TV off and then turn it back on. You get this little spinny thing in the middle of the TV, and we're back up, and there you go. Pretty simple. Questions or issues, comment below.